In previous lecture, we only done till working depth. In this is the part 2 of the nomenclature of the gear. What is backlash? It is the difference between the tooth space and the tooth thickness as a measure along a pitch circle. It is the difference between the tooth space and the tooth thickness as measure along the pitch circle. Theoretically, the backlash should be zero, but in actual practice, some backlash must be allowed to prevent jamming of the tooth errors and thermal expansion. Okay, guys, what happens? I will tell you guys. If these two are missing gears, these two gears, then there should be some gap between these two gears. This is the distance. It is the difference between here. It is the difference between the tooth space. The tooth space. This is the tooth space. Total tooth space to the between the tooth space. This is the difference between the tooth space. Tooth space. This is the tooth space and the tooth thickness of the meshing gear as measured along the pitch circle. This is the difference. Okay, this is the tooth thickness of the meshing gear. This is the tooth width of the tooth width of the another gear. Okay, guys, this is the gap. Whenever there is when it rotate in a very high motion, what happens? We know all that every metal expand. Okay, some very small amount of metal expand. So to avoid this and to avoid the jamming case, okay, we give some backlash to the gear. Okay, guys, this is the thing. Okay, now we'll talk about the path of contact. It is the path traced by the point of contact of two teeth from the beginning to the end of engagement. What happens when there are two teeth? Let us consider this is the one and this is the other tooth. Okay, it has an involute teeth. Okay, what happens? The teeth contact is gradually increase. First of all, it will increase from here to go then this like this. Okay, path of contact increase here like this. It goes like this. Okay, contact here and then and last it will disengage. Okay, guys, this is the path of contact. Okay, now second is what? Length of path of contact. Length of now path of contact. This is the path of contact. Length of path of contact. It is the length of common normal cut off by the addendum circle of the wheel and pinion. Arc of approach. It is the portion of path of contact. It is the portion of the path of contact from the beginning the engagement of the pitch point. From the beginning of the engagement of point. Arc of recess. It is the portion of